So we change this 1 liter into ml. How we change? This 1 liter equals to 1000 ml. So we have to divide first one by second one and multiplied by 100. First of all we cut 100 and ml and ml. 20 first we cut it. Okay, 10 up and down. So what we get here? 15%. Okay, 25 paise out of 10 rupees. So first of all we have to change this 10 rupees into paise. We have to change bigger unit into small unit. Okay, so let's go ahead. 10 rupees, 10 into 100 paise. So don't multiply it because we know we have to cancel. So we go it this first one paise, 10 into 100 paise, then we have to multiply it by 100%. So we cancel it like this. Now we go with this 2, 5 2 10, 5 5 25. So we here 5 by 2% and it is 2 whole 1 by 2%. So like this we have to go for question number 5. I have solved 5 questions here. You have to solve by yourself all the rest question. Now we move to question number 6. Find 25% of 64. We have to find the 25% of the given number. Okay, so how to go, how to solve the question? 25% of 64, that is 20. First of all we change this 25% into fraction, that is 25 by 100 into 64. Now we cancel it by table of 25 1 jar, 25 4 400 sorry 100. Now we cut with table of 4 4 1 jar, 4 16 time. Okay, here also we have to change this percentage into fraction first of all, and then we have to multiply by 456 and we get answer as 152. And here also 54% of 25 meter. So how we write here? 54 by 100%, sorry 100% 54 by 100 into 25. Okay, now 25 1 jar, 25 4 jar. Okay, 4 1 jar, you can cancel or not. No, it is not going. So 2 2 jar 20, 2 2 jar 4, 2 2 jar 4 and 7. It is meter, 27 by 2 meter. Okay, here in the rough work we have to divide 2 whole 27. So it is 2 1 jar 2, it is 3 times 6. So how much we get here? 13 whole 1 by 2 meter. Now 2 more questions are solved here. I will solve here for you. So it is in 2.5% of 500 meter. So let's go ahead as we going. It is like this into 500 meter. First of all we remove this. Okay, so you come along. So we multiply it like this. 1 0 1 0 cancel. Now 5 1 0 5 2. So how much we get? 25 by 2 meter. When we divide it, how much we get? 12 whole 1 by 2 meter. Okay, or we can go with decimal also. You can see the answer. If answer in decimal, you can go with the answer or decimal also in answer. It become 12.5 then. And if in the answer it is given in fraction, then it is good. Okay, now here it is 20% of 5.125 kg. So it is 20 by 100 multiplied by 5.125 kg. First of all, we remove this 3 here. Now we cancel here. 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 5 1 are 5 1 are 5, 0, 2, 10 and 5. So we don't cut this, okay? Why? Because it is easier for us to give a decimal, okay? So it become 1.025 kg. So this is the way how to solve question number 6. Now question number 7. Question number 7 says to find the number whose 10% is 25. So we have to find a number whose 10% is 25. So we assume that number as x and we find that. So I assume that number here. That's right. Let required number be. So x of 10% is 25. X into 10 by 100 equals to 25. First of all, we multiply numerator with numerator, that is 10 into x by 100, okay, equals to 25. So we have to find x, that's why we keep it, and other thing goes to left hand side, okay. We have read this thing in class 6, how to equalize the equation. So it is in the division sign, it goes to. So here we multiplied by 100 by 10. No, 10, 1 0 and 1 0 will cancel here. How much we get here? 250. Second question is, first of all you read the question, otherwise you confused. So we have to find 6 whole 1 by 2, 1 by 4% of whose a number whose 6 whole 1 by 2% is 2. So let assume required number be x. So x into 64, 6 for 24 and 125 1% to x into 25 by 4 into 100 equals to 2. So we have to find x. We don't multiply, we can move this to this side also directly. So what we do here, x equals to 2 into whatever in the denominator, because it goes to numerator, okay, like this, and whatever in the numerator it goes to denominator like this. So again we go with 25 1 jar, 25 4 jar. So x equals to how much now? 4 to the 8 into 4, 32. So x is 32. So like this we have to go with this question number 7. Now question number 8. Find the number which is 10% more than 80. So we have to find a number which is 10% more than 80. So what we do here? 10% more than 80, okay. So we have to add 10% of 80 to 80, okay. So how we go? Look the question here. Solution: 80 plus 10% of 80, then we get 10% more than 80, okay. So how we solve this question? First of all, we find the 10% of 80, okay now. When first we change this 10% as a fraction, 10 by 100 into 80. Now we cut 0 0 and 0 0, but we left with 8 only. 80 plus 8, that is 88, okay. So like this we have to solve this question. Now 5% less than 150. So how we go? So here is very easy. We have to subtract 5% of 150, okay. Here we go with 50 minus 5 by 100 into 150, isn't it? Now we cancel it. 5 1 jar, 5 2 jar. It's 150 minus 15 by 2, okay. Now we have fraction, we will take the LCM here. So we get here LCM, we will multiply 150 into 2, that is 300, minus 15. So when we divide it, when we subtract it, how much we get here? 5, 9 minus 1, 8, 2, 285 by 2. So we will divide this 285 by 2. How much we get here? 1 jar, 2 4 jar, 2 4. We get decimal here 0, 5. It is like this. Now what is the answer here? 142.5. So this is the answer, means this number is 5% less than 150. So you solve all the remaining question of question number 8, and also solve all the question of exercise 9.4. In next class we discuss about application of decimal and how to find increase percent, decrease percentage, and we do the word problem also. And also in this chapter we discuss one more chapter exercise here that we left here, that is 9.3 also. So that's all for today. Thank you.